Anil and Tony, BJP's Meghalaya in charge, expressed confidence in the party's upcoming district council election performance, citing significant progress under State President Rickman G. Momin. And Tony praised Momin's leadership in strengthening the BJP's presence in the state and projected further gains in the next assembly elections. The party aims to expand its reach across all mandals and booths, and it's optimistic about surpassing its current tally of 2 MLAs. He also reaffirmed the importance of the BJP-NPP alliance within the NDA to advance the Prime Minister's vision for the North-East.
Has been earlier appointed only 1.5 years ago. And in this 1.5 years, the President has done commendable work in the state. The number of booths or booth penetration has increased almost 3 times under his leadership. And we are very sure that in the next 3 years under his leadership, we will have presence of the party in every mandal and booth across the state. And next state election, we will be having a much better performance, much bigger improvement than our 2 MLAs we have right now.